is 3061, a number plain as day. Steel heart beating, pulling freight on endless gray. But a spark lit the horizon, a call she couldn't ignore. Said paint her proud, let her colors roar. Now she's rolling, stars and stripes in her veins. She's got a new name and a new claim to fame. 1776, freedom's engine on the track. Red, white, blue thunder, she ain't ever looking back. Semiquincentennial pride, she's the rolling parade. Every horn blows a song, American spirit carrying on. Carrying on. American spirit carrying on. From her wheels to her bell, she sings a bold refrain. A flag across her body, shining stars on her frame. They renumbered her with purpose, gave her a shining crown. Now she's the spirit of a nation, rolling town to town. Ooh, the rails spark like fireworks in July. Diesel dreams painted in the morning sky. She's more than steel, she's a story to be told. Every mile she travels, her glory unfolds. 1776, freedom's engine on the track. Red, white, blue thunder, she ain't ever looking back. Semiquincentennial pride, she's a rolling parade. Every horn blows a song, American spirit carrying on. Carrying on. American spirit carrying on.
Known as 3061 on a steel highway, a workhorse in the shadows just earning her pay. But the call came down from the engine house floor. Let's make her shine like never before. Stripped her down to her iron bones, painted her anew in stars and tones. Red, white, and rolling thunder, she roars like freedom and endless wonder. The weight of years, the tracks of time. 1776, she's in her prime. She's in her prime. The stripes on her side tell a story of fight. The stars on her nose light the darkest night. From Reading to Pittston, she pulls her load, a moving